Hi, this is James with Alabama Construction Pros again. And so on this video, we're going to be talking about the process of a bathroom remodel. So when it comes to the process of bathroom remodel, you may be thinking, well, we'll just sign a contract and go in and demo and we'll build your bathroom and that'll be it. Well, the process is a little bit more tedious than that. We like to try to plan out as much of the project that we can. And so that's why the process for your bathroom remodel may take a little bit longer. First thing that we would do is we're going to schedule an appointment. I myself will come out and I will talk with you as a customer. I'll talk with you about your project. We'll go over a couple basic questions about your project, and we'll try to set a budget, see when you would like to start, when would you like things to be completed by, and so we'll try to set a time frame and a budget for your project. And once we come to agreement on what you would like to spend or what the project is going to cost, for example, if it's going to be $25,000 or $100,000 depending on the project, the next step is to set up a design consultation meeting. There is a fee for the design. The fee for a bathroom would be a $600 fee, and what that fee all provides is you're going to have a 3D rendering of your design. You're going to have the build drawings, the blueprints for your design. Bathroom designer is going to help you pick out your finishes, and then she's going to measure your space. And then once she measures your space, she's going to set up a different time with you, a week or two, to come back and show you the conceptual ideas that she's come up with. Once those ideas have been put into our computer 3D program, she's going to meet with you and kind of go over her conceptual designs. And so those meetings will continue. You have a few meetings like that until you all come to an agreement on what you as a customer definitely want in your own bathroom. Paint colors, the tile, the finishes like your towel bars, faucets, different things like that. Once we get the design all put together in a blueprint, we're going to take those designs in the blueprint over to the city. And so after the design phase is over, what we have next is the estimation phase. I'll come back, I'll bring my subcontractors over, and we'll be able to estimate your price so that you don't have to worry about the price going above the initial budget that we set. So if you initially said you want to spend $55,000 on your master bathroom remodel, then we won't go above that because that price has already been set. Of course, that's why you pay the design fee to try to get the price in the budget that we set. So if we're not counting the design phase, if you're talking about a hall bathroom, it typically takes about 1 month to complete a hall bathroom. If you're talking about just a master bathroom, it typically takes about 1.5 to 2 months to complete a typical master bathroom. Depending on if it's a huge master bathroom, very complex showers, you have to order a shower door. Shower doors are a special case because when you have a shower door, the shower cannot be measured or even ordered until the towel is laid down. So in a master's bathroom like this, the shower could delay it, but we can complete that bathroom for you and just come back and do the shower later. But in general, a master bathroom takes about 1.5 to 2 months. Your hall bathroom takes about a month. Now, if you're going to include that design phase, you can add about a month on to both of those. So your design for your hall bathroom may take a month, and then the construction may take a month. Give or take. Sometimes it could be a little bit more faster. It could be a little bit faster depending on if you, on top of picking out all your finishes and selections and everything like that, then it may go a little bit faster. But we typically like to say it takes about a month to do the design for your hall bathroom, and about another month, 1.5 to a month to do your design for your master bathroom. That's kind of the timeline on how long it takes to complete a hall bathroom, and also how long it takes to complete a master bathroom. If you're talking about a full gut job, kind of like where we are today, and restoring it, typically a project like that probably costs you anywhere between $20,000 to $30,000. And so that depends on specific what materials you're going to use, and of course if you're going to gut it all the way to the studs. Now if you're going to build on a bathroom, that's a completely different price. That's more so like an addition. If you're doing a master bathroom, generally a master bathroom can be 100 square feet. Your 8x5 bathroom will be somewhere about 40 square feet. So if you're going to be doing a master bathroom 100 square feet or more, it just depends on the selections and different things that you pick. Also, that would be the same in a hall bathroom as well. And we'll get a little more into the details of what makes that price so expensive. Typically for a master bathroom with your shower and maybe a tub, you see we have a shower over here. It's going to be a full shower with glass. But typically if you have a shower and a tub in a master bathroom, you're anywhere starting at about $45,000. and they can go up to about 75, 80,000. It just depends on how elaborate you want your bathroom to be. If you're going to go with a quartz, if you're going to go with the granite for your countertops, if you want to go with porcelain, the types of faucets that you choose, also the type of tile that you choose. In a 1,000 square foot bathroom, if you go with a $3 a square foot price, of course that's going to be a lot less than if you go with a $10 square foot price for tile. So also with your countertops, if you go with a $50 square foot for your countertops or your surfacing versus a $150 or $100 a square foot countertops. Also, you have to think about the structurals in your bathroom. Structurals are going to be your HVAC, your plumbing, your electrical, and also your framing. If you're taking out walls, relocating toilets or any plumbing, if you're going to be having to open up a slab and relocate drains, be it a hall bathroom or a master bathroom, that's going to drive up your price. But typically, like I said, the hall bathroom is about $20,000 to about $30,000 if you're going to fully gut it. Sometimes if you're not going to gut it, you can get it for about $17,000 to about $25,000. But for a master bathroom, if you're going to fully gut it, you're going to be at least a minimum of about $45,000, and they can go all the way up to $75,000 or $80,000. And so once we have that price put together, what we'll do is you and I will meet again, sign the contract, and set a start date. So once we have that start date, we'll start the construction. And typically for a bathroom, if you're talking about a hall bathroom, it's about 1 month. If you're talking about a master bathroom, it's about a month to 2 months to complete everything. And so that's kind of the process. That process from the first call to us completing your bathroom, it could be anywhere from a month to a month and a half for the design, and another month to 2 months before you can enjoy your bathroom. As you hear right now, we're actually currently in a bathroom, standing in the bathroom. That's going to be the shower over there, and you can hear all the work that we're doing to complete this bathroom. Until we get to the completion phase of your project, from first phone call to design to estimation to construction, then completion. For a bathroom, it typically takes about 2.5 to about 4.5 months.